I want to show you how you can move and size images right in your text editor using visual mode. Here's our post that we've got so far. We have an image over here aligned to the right of this paragraph. Let's say I want to move it down to here. Well, I go into my post and I go into visual mode. Now I'm actually going to switch to full screen mode just because it's a little easier to see what's happening here. And I just take my image, I click on it, and you'll see it gets highlighted, and I just start to drag it. Now, where is it going? Well, you can actually tell from the tip of your arrow there. That's actually where my cursor is in the text. So I know just visually where I'm actually placing this image. So I want to put it to the right of this second paragraph. There we go. Again, to know where you are, watch the tip of that arrow. I'm going to put it right at this word cursus. There we go. And now it's over to the right here. Okay, what if I want to change the physical size of this image? Well, of course, I could go back into my image editor and physically change the size of it. However, there is a quick way to do it, and if you're not familiar with the image editor and you don't want to actually physically change the image, you can do this. You highlight the image, you get these boxes around the edge. Now, this will vary by browser, but I'm on a Mac using Firefox, and in this case the cursor goes like this. If you can see it like that, see how it goes into that mode there, and that tells me that I can drag it and I can resize it. Now, by doing it on this corner like this, I'm proportionately resizing. Not every browser does that, so be careful when you're doing it. You may have to fiddle around to get the right proportions. Also, Firefox will show you a little box. I don't know if you can see it there. It's actually telling me the size of the image, and that can be very handy too if I want to get it to a specific size. Now, technically this is not a great way to resize your images. It is better to resize the image either in the image editor of WordPress or before you upload it. The problem is when you resize like this, you actually create a bit of distortion in the image. And purists will tell you that you don't have as good a looking image. But you know, for a lot of people, it's hard to even see the difference. And so I just say, well, if it's easier for you to do it this way, and you haven't got the time perhaps, or it's not a big deal about the quality of the image, then go ahead and resize it like this. It's certainly very easy and very flexible to do it this way, but do be aware there are some technical issues with quality. So those are some options for you in moving and sizing images right in your text editor.